Hey guys, got a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. Doing the rear door lock and how to remove the window. Door lock sits here. Now there's a whole lot of bolts you'll have to undo that come all the way down the side, all the way around the bottom, up the other side. They are these X ones. I'll find out what tool that is. It's a TX30 and you'll need an TX30 and an M6. Yeah, easy to remove these bolts out all the way around the side, get that done. There's the window to remove that, push that inner button in, get that, push the inner button in and the inside, if it comes out, that soft circle piece will come out and the glass comes out. But yeah, that's how you get that rear lock out, fellas. It's on the 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. Thanks for watching, bye.